Understanding a Pyrrhic victory, its meaning and usage in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, a Pyrrhic victory. This term has a fascinating history and a specific meaning that can add depth to your English conversations. So, let's explore what this phrase means and how you can use it effectively. A Pyrrhic victory originates from a historical event involving King Pyrrhus of Epirus. In 280 BC, Pyrrhus fought the Romans at Heraclea and Asculum and won both battles. However, these victories came at a tremendous cost to his army, with significant losses. Pyrrhus is famously quoted as saying, "Another such victory and we are undone." From this historical reference, the term Pyrrhic victory emerged to describe a situation where someone wins, but the victory comes at such a great expense that it is almost equivalent to a defeat. In modern English, a Pyrrhic victory is used to describe any success or achievement that comes at a great cost, making the effort questionable. It's often used in sports, business, politics, and personal life scenarios. For example, a company may win a lawsuit but at the expense of its reputation. An athlete may win a race but injure themselves in the process. Politically, a party may win an election but have to make significant compromises. Understanding this phrase helps in appreciating situations where victory and loss are closely intertwined. To use a Pyrrhic victory correctly in conversation, it's important to recognize situations where success comes with significant sacrifices or losses. Here are some tips. Context is key. Ensure the situation reflects a win with heavy losses. Be empathetic. This phrase often implies a sense of loss or regret, so use it sensitively. Example sentences: "They managed to complete the project on time, but it was a Pyrrhic victory as the team was utterly exhausted and demotivated." Winning the argument with his friend was a Pyrrhic victory. He proved his point but damaged the relationship. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, a Pyrrhic victory, more confidently in your English conversations. It's a powerful expression that adds depth to the way we describe complex situations. Remember, a victory can sometimes be bittersweet, and that's precisely what this phrase captures. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing your English skills with us.